card says?
Yep.
All right. That's so funny. Okay, you landed there. You landed here, so that means you have to give 10 of your bugs in to get past. Do you have 10? You better count them. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You have 10. So now you get to stay right here. You got to give 10 bugs over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again, Beckett. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. He's so surprised every time. 8, 9, 10. Good job. Oh, I think it's all out of cards.